The TravelPAP has several features and functions that enhance CPAP comfort and compliance. To adjust your comfort settings, click Settings on the bottom left side of your screen. Here you will be able to set and change your ramp time settings, select your tubing type and CPAP mask type, and more. Save the changes and go back to your homepage. In the Accessories tab, you will see how long it's been since you last replaced your machine parts. This is a good way to keep track of your replacement schedule so that your machine stays well maintained. In the fitting test section, you can test that you are wearing your mask correctly. Simply push the start button to start receiving air and stop once you are done testing. In the Report tab, you will be able to see your treatment data for 1 day, 1 week, and more. This data will automatically synchronize after you use this machine. You can also see your AHI and other metrics. In the More tab, you can access the user manual, instructional videos, and more to help you have the most successful treatment possible. Good luck with your CPAP therapy.